Consider the circuit shown and find the percentage increase in power dissipation of the transistor if the source voltage increases by 10. Given that the breakdown voltage is 5 V R1 10K R2 100K R3 200K R4 10. The source voltage versus 25 V. A 10. B 20.22. C 14.28. D 15.66. The correct answer is 14.28. Consider the op-amp circuit shown. The breakdown voltage of the Zener is 5 V. For the transistor is 100. R1 10K, R2 90K, R3 30K, R4 50K. Calculate the total output voltage. A 20 V. B 30 V. C 5 V. D 50 V. The correct answer is 20 V. In the Zener controlled series regulator shown below, find the current through the Zener diode. Given that the Zener diode breakdown voltage is 5 V, the source voltage is 15 V, the output voltage is 10 V, R4 2K 99 R1 2K. A 5.05 mA. B 4.95 mA. C 3.33 mA. D 0. The correct answer is 4.95 mA. Consider the following circuit. Find the power dissipation of the transistor given that the diode breakdown voltage is 5 V, R1 20K, R2 100K, R3 200K, R4 10. The source voltage versus 20 V. A 12.12 watts. B 9.375 watts. C 9.27 watts. D 10.575 watts. The correct answer is 9.375 watts. Why does no DC current flow in the primary winding of the output transformer of class B push-pull amplifier? A. Because DC currents from both transistors flow in opposite directions. B. Because the net impedance is very high to allow flow of current. C. The winding only allows AC current to flow. D. Current only flows in secondary winding due to the presence of load at that side. The correct answer is because DC currents from both transistors flow in opposite directions. Which of these is incorrect for complementary symmetry push-pull amplifiers? A. During positive cycle NPN transistor conducts. B. It is easier to fabricate on IC. C. Size of the transformer required reduces. D. Efficiency and figure of merit are same as transformer coupled push-pull amplifier. The correct answer is size of the transformer required reduces. In a power supply, the output voltage can vary due to multiple reasons. Which of these is not true if it is found that the output voltage is constant? A. The voltage stability factor is very high. B. The output resistance is 0. C. The temperature coefficient is 0. D. The voltage stability factor is very small. The correct answer is the voltage stability factor is very high.